We choose to keep on smiling, not because we don't have problems. Sinazo ziningi inkinga ezinye senza ukuthi singalali asazi nje ukuthi ukuphuma njani, but we choose to keep on smiling every time just because we're trying to hide tears. We're doing that so that those who are depending on us can never see our weaknesses, because we understand how further can that break them. So keep on smiling, no matter how hard it becomes. Keep on smiling. Yazikuhleka inkinga zakho kuzihleka ukuthi wala matata. Life ivele bangaya lokho. Mana kuthiwa ngokuphuma njani endweni le. Hey mother siphileni isibone. Because there are people who can't do without you. There are people who can't do without seeing you getting stronger and stronger, and yet you are breaking inside. Nawe kambi ukulilela baba phezulu kuwe that you are looking up on them. Nabo ngeke balile in front of you. Ngazi ukuthi uyayithola ima-steps intwele. Abantwana bakho cannot afford to see you cry. Abantwana bakho cannot afford to see you giving up and breaking. Abantwana bakho cannot afford to see your weaknesses. Have you ever realized ukuthi abantwana abakhulumayo, angazi mhlambe besizibona ngathi nasakhulayo, I don't know if it's still happening now. You used to see your parent, your mom or your father, as a hero. Umama makawenza lokho, ubaba mangakwenza lokho. So you still that, I assume, to your kids. You still that. So don't allow people whom are depending on you to see your weakness and your tears. Zakho inyembezi zakhanjwa zokubona babantu laba ongaphasi kibo nge-level. Njalo mntwana wethu. That's a bit of 2 cents that I like to give to you today.